السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video we are going to discover and enjoy and of course learn a lot of words by introducing a new story. I hope you will like it. But before we start the story, don't forget to subscribe, الاشتراك في القناة، كتابة تعليق مشجع والإعجاب بالفيديو، ولما لا مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم. Now let's start the story. So in today's story, the title is The Lion and the Rabbit. The Lion and the Rabbit. قمنا بوضع فيديو مخصوص حول الحيوانات lion الأسد rabbit الأرنب. A cruel lion lived in the forest. Every day he killed and ate a lot of animals. The other animals were afraid the lion would kill them. The animals told the lion, "Let's make a deal. If you promise to eat only one animal each day, then one of us will come to you every day. Then you don't have to hunt and kill us." بعض الكلمات: deal صفقة، hunt اصطياد. The plan sounded well, so he agreed. But he also said, "If you don't come every day, I promise to kill all of you the next day." Each day after that, one animal went to the lion to be eaten by the lion, and all the other animals were safe. أعيدوا ورائي. Good. Finally, it was the rabbit's turn to go to the lion. The rabbit went very slowly ببطء شديد that day في ذلك اليوم. So the lion was angry كان غاضب when the rabbit finally arrived. The lion angrily asked the rabbit سأله بغضب, "Why are you late?" لماذا أنت متأخر؟ "I was hiding from another lion in the forest." forest الغابة. "That lion said he was the king, so I was afraid." أعيدوا ورائي. The lion told the rabbit, "I am the only king here. Take me to the other lion and I will kill him." "I am the only king here. Take me to the other lion and I will kill him." kill وتعني أقتله. The rabbit replied, رد الأرنب, "I will be happy to show you where he lives." I will be happy to show you where he lives. أعيدوا ورائي. The rabbit led the lion to an old well. Well البئر. In the middle of the forest. The well was very deep. عميق جدا. With water at the bottom. Bottom القاع. The rabbit told the lion, Look in there. انظر هناك. The lion lives at the bottom. الأسد يعيش في القاع. أعيد ورائي. Well وتعني البئر. Deep عميق. Forest الغابة. When the lion looked in the well, he could see his own face. Face وتعني الوجه. In the water. He thought that he was the other lion. عندما رأى وجهه في ماء البئر اعتقد أن ذلك الوجه يعود إلى الأسد الآخر. Let's repeat. When the lion looked in the well, he could see his own face in the water. He thought that was the other lion. أعيد ورائي. Without waiting another moment, the lion jumped into the well to attack the other lion. He never came out. Let's repeat. Without waiting another moment, the lion jumped into the well to attack the other lion. He never came out. Repeat after me. Attack وتعني يهاجم. Jump قفز. All of the other animals in the forest were very pleased with the rabbit's clever trick. نعيد. All the other animals in the forest were very pleased with the rabbit's clever trick. Animals وتعني الحيوانات. Pleased مسرورين. Forest الغابة. Trick الحيلة. Clever ذكي. وإلى هنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم وتعلمتم بعض الكلمات ولو قليلا. لا تنسوا تشجيعي ودعمي بالاشتراك في القناة، تفعيل الجرس أكيد، مشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم، وكتابة تعليق مشجع.